Okay, here we go. The first fire alarm. There we go. And it's activated. Alarms are going off. The reason why only one side is going off is because I have it. It's like a weird configuration. It's split in two, and I mostly test this side. But after this one's over, we're gonna go test the other one. Let's go to the panel. Let's real quick. Let's reset this one. Alright, that one's reset. Let's go to panel. Let's silence the alarm right there, that one. Now the alarm is silenced. It's just flashing. What is up, guys? I haven't made a video for fire alarms in a long time, but here we go. This I added on yesterday. That one I made it 3D too. You see, it sticks out. And then I also made that one over there too. Right here. It's styled after another real fire alarm, but I kind of failed my first attempt, so I just stuck with that. And then my actual attempt at the real fire alarm that's based off of is this one over here, which is not that great in my opinion, because if I pull down, the paper like bends, because it's not really metal or cardboard to stay straight, it like bends. So I'm gonna reinforce it with some cardboard or something. I also fixed this fire alarm because the paper to pull down was missing. And we're gonna test the system about 3 times and reset it each time, because we're gonna be pulling a couple different fire alarms, and we're gonna even do a lockdown drill. So let's go activate the first one, which is the first one I showed you guys. Here, this is the control panel right here, and now let's reset everything. Now we're gonna go pull the other side of fire alarms over there. So let's go with zone 1, area 2. And here we go. And here, the fire alarm. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this one. There goes the alarm. So not as bright as in the other room. It should be brighter though. These two are the most brightest, not this one. But these two in the back are the most brightest, which I'm glad because these two are the brightest. They flash that way. So if these ones don't catch anyone's attention, which they will because they're loud, they will catch their attention because they're still loud anyways. Let's reset this one. This is why I don't like this one, because it doesn't want to reset. Yeah, I might have to replace this one. Comment down below what other fire alarm activation systems should we put right here. For now, I'll just leave it like that. Anyways, I'm gonna cut out the part where I go reset the system for you guys. Okay, I reset the system. Now we're gonna pull this fire alarm. There we go. Here goes nothing. Difficulties. Okay, here we go. They should start any second now. There you go. That one's still like that. Couldn't manage to fix it yet. Should put like tape or something so it sticks. There we go. But I will change that one. Anyways, let me go reset the system. Okay, I reset the system. Let's go back to the other side and set off the lockdown alarm over here. Put the lockdown alarm. Here we go with the lockdown alarm. Here we go.
Lockdown. This is an emergency alert. Please follow lockdown procedures. Go into the nearest room or building. Lock the door and turn off all lights. Wait for the all clear from school officials or local authorities. Lockdown.
Anyways, that is going to be it for the fire alarm drills and the lockdown drill. And that is going to be for this video. Comment down below if you want me to make other videos too. And sorry I haven't been posting like videos, just been posting YouTube shorts lately. But maybe soon I'll make a drumming video or something. Bye.